हेलो एवरीवन, माय सेल्फ विश्वनाथ। आज की क्लास में हम देखेंगे न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन रेगुलेशन ऑफ ए सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर। सो रेगुलेशन इज defined as the changes in the voltage from no load to full load. Okay, so let us see in this problem what actually asking in this question. A transformer has the following data: the test number 1, in which 100% supply voltage is given and 6% of the current, rated current, is flowing at a power factor of 0.2. In the test number 2, 8% of voltage is given to the transformer and the 100% of the current is flowing at a power factor of 0.3. Then find the efficiency and percentage regulation of the load at unity power factor. So in this question we need to find the efficiency and the voltage regulation of a transformer, and to find these values we need to perform two tests. Test number 1 is nothing but the open circuit test or no load test, and this test number 2 is a short circuit test. To conduct the open circuit test we apply 100% of voltage, and to conduct the short circuit test we apply around 8% of the rated voltage. At that case we will get 100% of current flowing through the windings of the secondary, which is being shorted. So we are having the following data. So our given values are supply voltage for open circuit test. We are talking about the open circuit test. If we consider the values are given in per unit system, then our supply voltage V1 is nothing but 100% voltage, it means 1 per unit, and the in per unit I am considering the values of the voltage, all the data in per units. So 100% means 1 per unit, and the current I0 is 6%, it means 0.06 per unit, and the power factor cos phi naught is equals to 0.2. cos phi is equals to 0.2. ठीक है? Okay. So now we can find the no load loss. Okay. So what will be the value of formula for this? V1 I0 cos phi. No load power is equals to V1 I0 cos phi. V1 is nothing but 1, I0 is 0.06, and the cos phi naught is 0.2. So we are getting the power is 0.012 per unit. 0.012 per unit. It is the no load test data which we are getting in this case. Now we are having for short circuit test, we are having V1, since there are LV side and HV side, that's why we are considering it VSC. VSC is 8% of the voltage, means 0.08 per unit, and ISC is 1 per unit, and the power factor cos phi naught is phi SC is equals to 0.3. Okay, these are the data which are being given. Now we can find the per unit impedance. VSC upon ISC, that is nothing but 0.08. Okay, So per unit impedance is 0.08. Now we can find the cos phi sc. Okay, cos phi sc is equals to, it is, we know the power factor is nothing but the per unit resistance in per unit, resistance upon impedance, it is, we are taking in per unit system. Now we are having the impedance and the power factor, so we can find the unknown resistance. Resistance in per unit system, we can find cos phi sc is 0.3 into 0.08, so it is 0.024 per unit. So we are getting 0.024 per unit resistance. Now the efficiency can be find, efficiency for full load at UPF, unity power factor. If it is full load, then we consider the power, output power will be 1 unit. Okay, so 1 into 1 upon 1 into 1 plus, what is the losses which are being occurred are 0.024 is the resistance loss, since the current is unity, so I square R copper loss will be 0.024 and the iron loss will be 0.012. 0.024 into 1 square plus your iron loss is 0.012. Now we are getting into 100. This is the percentage efficiency. We are getting 96.5% of maximum efficiency, full load at unity power factor efficiency. This is the efficiency which is being asked in this question. Now, so we can find the maximum efficiency by this formula. This is nothing but the iron loss upon copper loss. It means under root iron loss in per unit system upon copper loss in per unit. So iron loss is nothing but the 0.012 upon 0.024. This is nothing but the 70%. Okay, beta max is equals to 70.7%. Now we can find the maximum efficiency. This is the x of full load. I mean to say x of full load. It means at this value, this is the what to say, this is the loading at which the maximum efficiency is possible. This is nothing but the x. This is nothing but the x. At this case only maximum efficiency will be possible. X of the full load, x part of the load, when we load the transformer, when the transformer loading is happening at this moment, we can find at what percentage of the full loading the transformer will give the maximum efficiency. So the formula for knowing the loading, maximum loading at which the maximum efficiency can be possible is under root iron loss upon copper loss. So at 70.7% of full load, we will get the maximum efficiency from the transformer. So efficiency, we can find the efficiency at 70.7% of full load is equals to, now the loading is 70.7%, it means 0.707 into 1 upon 0.707 into 1 upon plus. Now since the maximum efficiency is possible when the copper loss and iron loss both are equal, now 2 into 0.012. In this case, when we solve this formula, we will get 96.7%. 96.7%, which is maximum. Okay. So regulation at unity power factor. Regulation at unity power factor is equal to percentage resistance, and the percentage resistance is 2.4%. Percentage resistance is 2.4% of resistance. Okay. Now regulation percentage. Now the regulation at full load 0.8 power factor. Okay. So this is the regulation at unity power factor percentage regulation, that is nothing but the 2.4%. Okay. So in this numerical we have seen the two tests that we are having from no load test and short circuit test. From these two tests we can find the efficiency. Okay. So what we do in this question is, we are having the no load test data and short circuit test data. By these values and data, we can find the no load power. From the no load test we can find W naught, which is no load power. Then after, from the short circuit test we can find the impedance per unit impedance, which is 0.08. Then after we can find the per unit resistance, that is 0.024 per unit. Then after we can find the efficiency at unity power factor, that is 96.5%. Now what will we do in the next step? We find the loading, the percentage loading. We find the percentage loading at which the maximum efficiency can be achieved. It means, I mean to say, at what percentage of the full loading which we apply, that the transformers will get the maximum efficiency, the transformer will operate the maximum efficiency. So by applying the formula, we are having under root iron loss upon copper loss. By putting these values, we are getting the value of X, which is 70.7%. So at 70.7% of the full loading, we are getting the maximum efficiency, that is 96.7%, and the regulation is percentage regulation, that is 2.4%. Okay. So this is the numerical on regulation of a transformer. Okay. So I hope you will get this numerical. Okay. For today it's enough. Thank you.